Now this product is called Estrovite. So Apex products have a lot of vites. I'm still not too sure why that is on the end of their names. But Estrovite is really estrogen. Well, this product is designed to flush estrogen out of the body. So very seldom do we have problems with too low of estrogen. We usually have problems with an excess of estrogen that aids in fat buildup. So some of the products below, especially the Estrovite, is designed to start flushing this hormone out of the body. Almost all products, and I would be comfortable to say all nutritional products that focus on estrogen clearance, they work with the liver. They're really pushing the liver to get this hormone out of the body. When this hormone, estrogen, builds up in the body, it sits in fat tissue, drives up fat content, and it creates other hormonal imbalances. It's why many people, they introduce so many weight loss efforts, but they can't get rid of their weight. And a lot of it is because they're holding on to excess hormone. So hormone sits in fat tissue and it acts as a magnet for other fat tissue. Women tend to have more problems with toxicity and hormonal imbalances just because their bodies are designed to hold on a little bit more fat tissue than men. So it acts as a toxic sink because most toxins are fat soluble. So this is a great product. I dose what's on the bottle, and I've gone up 3 times of what the dose is. But be careful with these. Make sure you follow through. I usually don't see any side effects with it, and I use it in conjunction with some of the detox products above.